The right wing has become woke. This is a group of people that wants to dictate everything about your life. Everything. And I'm not saying it's the flavor of right wing that's subscribed to my channel, because, you know, most of the people subscribed to my channel are on the right, okay? But this isn't the type of right wing I'm talking about. I'm talking about the drooling, normie right. Don't use a Ryobi drill. They'll nag you to death about how you're using the wrong drill, okay? Don't you dare drive a Chinese or a Japanese vehicle. They'll tell you how you need to be driving an American vehicle. Don't you dare wear a mask for any reason, even if you're really sick and you're trying to not get your family sick, right? Because that reminds them of COVID, when the government made them wear masks. So you shouldn't have the personal decision on if you want to wear a mask or not. They're going to tell you, what are you doing wearing that mask? You're some kind of communist. Don't you dare call somebody toxic. No matter how toxic their behavior is, toxic is a woke word, so you're not allowed to use it. Never mind the fact that the whole reason people hate woke is because they try to dictate what words you're allowed to use. Never mind that. That's gone out the memory hole. If you criticize Trump because we know what kind of islands he hangs out on, you must be some type of woke liberal, so you're not allowed to criticize the man that was on the island. You can't ride an e-bike. Oh, only pinkos ride e-bikes. What are you, a communist? You can't make any AI-generated images. No matter how bored you are, and if you just want to do it just for fun, no, don't you dare make an AI-generated image. It'll offend these people. So let's see, let me keep track of everything they want me to do. I have to buy an American vehicle, or they won't approve of it. I have to have, I can't use Ryobi. I have to use Craftsman tools or Milwaukee. Ryobi, they'll laugh at me. Let's see. It's got to be a Ford or a Chevy. If it's a Nissan or a Frontier, they'll laugh at me. I can't have that. I'm not allowed to use the word toxic. I'm not allowed to generate anything with AI. What else am I not allowed to do? Let's see. I can't wear a mask. Okay. So no wearing mask. No matter how sick I get, if I don't want to get other people sick, I can't wear a mask. I'm not allowed to ride an e-bike. Not allowed to have an electric lawnmower, because that's communist. You know, anything electric instead of gas powered is communist. How about fuck you people? How about that? How about, like, let me live my life and you live yours? Okay? If you think I'm some kind of communist pinko because I use new technology and I pick and choose what I do with my own life, maybe you should go fuck yourself. Does that sound good? Because the whole reason I hate liberals is because they constantly want to tell me what words I'm allowed to use, what type of things I'm allowed to do with my own life, who I'm allowed to associate with. That's the entire reason that I hate liberals. I am so done with these types of right-wingers. These types of people that, you know, bro, hop off my dick, mind your own business. I don't know where you people come from, but out where I live, we mind our own business. I don't care what anybody thinks. I'm going to use my Ryobi stuff because it's cheap and I already have all the batteries for it. You know, that wasn't even my choice entirely because I already have so many of the batteries from it because my family uses it, right? They've used the same batteries since the 90s. So I got all these Ryobi batteries lying around. So is Craftsman and Milwaukee better? Yeah, I think so. But I already have all the Ryobi crap, like the batteries. It doesn't make sense for me to switch just to make you people happy. As far as electric cars, when you're driving hundreds of miles for a road trip, I like to rent them, yes. They make very good options for rental vehicles for driving hundreds of miles, yes. If you agree, leave it in the comment section. If you disagree, tell me why you disagree. See you on the next one. Jordan Jareb, signing off.